Craig with Goods and Guitars here in Odessa, Texas. Got Jose Samaniego with me today again. Today what we're going to be doing is making a mold for an acoustic instrument.
Abajo sexto, abajo quinto.
Oh, here we go with that again. This guy wants me to make a bajo. So I guess, you know what? That way so he'll stop talking. I'm going to make a bajo this go round.
Yes. Un bajo quinto para todos nuestros amigos.
Yeah. You done translating?
Yes.
All right. So you got to start out with your template. This is the template I made. This works for grand auditorium or bajos because they're basically the same size guitar. So how we're going to do this today is, now that we have our template, we transfer that onto a piece of plywood. We have 6, 3-layer stick on each side. Now the process is going to be, we're going to cut this out on the bandsaw, and then I'm going to take it over to the sander, and I'm going to get one of these exactly how I want it. And then while Jose's cutting the rest of them out on the bandsaw, I'm going to be using a router to clean up the rest of these, so they will all register off of one. So you only got to get one right, and then you can use a router with a straight cut bit with a bearing, and then you can clean the rest of them up. One of the other tricks that I'm going to do during the process of all this is, once I get it on here, I'm going to put some glue. I'm going to go ahead and screw this piece to the next, and then I'll do the route. And then when I bring the next one over, I'll glue and screw it and do the route. That way they stay locked. You don't have to try to get them lined back up. So what we're going to do now is get started. We're going to set the camera over in the corner of the shop and put it on time lapse and just let it run. And we're going to get this thing knocked out. I appreciate y'all watching. You ready, brother?
I'm ready.
All right,
Listo.
let's do it. Okay. Damn. I ain't never moved that fast in my life, dude. That was awesome. No, all bullshit aside, that was maybe, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes or so.
Yeah, if you got a helper, it goes pretty fast. So this is what we're at. We got two sides. They're smooth. They're identical. The only thing left to do at this point, we got to clean these edges up. Get them perfectly square and plumb. And then we'll put the latching mechanism on there, and the mold is done. Now, like most of the molds that I make, I'll probably end up cutting a lot of this excess off just because they get heavy and it's not needed, and plus I can use it to clamp. I can't get a clamp, you know. But anyway, it's made. It's what I need, and we're going to move on with the next one. So the next thing we're going to do is wood. We're going to get the wood out. We're going to mill it up, get ready to put it in the bender that we made in the last video. And so if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, throw us a like down there, ask us some questions. Some of y'all may want to know what I was holding up, but it went by so fast you didn't read it, and it was, damn, he's slow but he's good. And
Preguntas en español.
Okay, so now the translation is over. Thanks for watching. Goods and Guitars from Odessa, Texas. Jose Samaniego helping out.